Recording again, Robo Lawyer. Yes, we're all back. One, two, three, four. Where's Robo Murine? Robo Murine's here. You sit up there on Pencil Dog's back. Okay, so we're all here. Did you know that in the Australia today, that's Friday Friday the 28th of August, in the law section there's something about open justice, with the idea of that they're trying an experiment in Western Australia where they're going to use cameras in the courtroom. Well, that's what we were talking about this week in media law, weren't we? What's open justice, what it means, and how courts are sometimes held in camera, and concealment orders, suppression or non-publication orders, what they mean, and whether or not that's really necessary. Of course, we've got, that's right, Angel, we've got the common law doctrines about when courts would be closed to the public, and then in addition to that we have the legislation from all the different jurisdictions, so nothing's very consistent there. I guess they're reasonably consistent, but each state is somewhat different, and of course the courts have a power themselves to make rules, or the superior courts do, and that's called their inherent jurisdiction. About what's that, Robo Lawyer? When the sign's on outside the court, it sometimes says court is open, sometimes it says court is closed. Well, you think when the sign says closed, no one's in the court. I don't think that's the case, Robo Lawyer. When the sign on the door says it's a closed court, it means that members of the public can't come in and watch. If it's in open court, it means that members of the public can come in and watch the proceedings, right? So, and some different times they close the court depending on the particular matters, and sometimes they don't publish particular details, do they? No. One of the things which journalists have been concerned about is the tendency for courts to grant non-publication orders. And what's that? Pencil Dog. Oh, Pencil Dog wants to. Pencil Dog wants to know why they draw pictures of people in court. You want to be a courtroom artist, dear Pencil Dog. But the reason generally is because cameras used to be very distracting to the courts. Excuse me. People were taking photos. So an artist was able to do that. But there's really no reason why these days, perhaps with digital cameras, they might be at least a lot less intrusive, so people could take photos in court. Anyway, that was the topic for this week, and we started to look at the other one, like the contempt of court, wasn't it, Robert? Okay. I've got to go and turn that thing off now. I've got to go walk around because I don't have it controlled by the mouse anymore. Okay. Oh, good. Now what? There we all are. There's Robo. There we all are. Panning in. And there's Robo. Angel Learning. Robo Murine. All there.